2024 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 65,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.